Welcome! Today, I'm excited to show you our custom-developed plugin, 𝐶𝐺_FINDER, built specifically to get accurate centers of gravity for precast elements in Revit. With 𝐶𝐺_FINDER, you can calculate combined CGs, find CGs for multiple selected elements, automatically update CG points when geometry changes, and easily delete individual or project-wide CG markers. Let's start with a combined element, like this slab and beam setup. Simply select both elements and run the Combine CG option. You can customize the visual style by adjusting the marker color or line weight to fit your project standards. Once applied, the CG family is placed in the model. Notice that it doesn't just pinpoint the CG location. It also automatically calculates and saves the total combined volume right inside the CG family parameter. Next, let's look at the Batch CG feature. By selecting multiple distinct elements and running the batch application, 𝐶𝐺_FINDER places individual markers for each one instantaneously. Each placed family stores the exact volume for its corresponding element. Now let's test the update functionality on a complex element, a wall with an attached suite. Just like before, 𝐶𝐺_FINDER accurately extracts the combined volume and places the CG point. If you modify or reset the profile, simply hit the refresh button. The plugin recalculates the geometry and updates the CG marker to its exact new location. Finally, keeping your model clean is effortless. You can remove specific markers using Delete Selected or wipe all CG indicators instantly with Delete All. Fast, accurate, and fully automated, 𝐶𝐺_FINDER takes the hassle out of precast structural coordination. Thanks for watching.